Yeah, thanks for watching another video. Today I'll be making a bandsaw sled for my bandsaw using just scrap materials I've got laying about in the workshop. I'm using 12mm ply for the base of the sled, 18mm ply for the fence, and then a walnut strip that I had in the offcut bin for the runner that will fit in the miter slot. So after breaking down the 12mm ply to size, I'll rip the 18mm ply to around about 50mm, and that'll be the height of my fence on the sled. Using the calipers, I'll get the width of the miter slot. As you can see, I need to change the battery on it, but it'll still work. And then I'll reference that up against the tooth of the table saw blade, and that'll give me the right width to rip the walnut down for the runner. Once the walnut runner then fits inside the miter slot, I can then use the calipers again just to get the depth or the height that I need the run to be. So once the runner fits nicely in the miter slot, I'll pre-drill holes and then screw it to the base of the sled. For the fence, I'll glue the two 18mm plywood pieces together. I'll put one brad nail in the corner and I'll cut that out later, and then I'll throw on a load of clamps and leave it to dry overnight. So once the glue is dried, I'll take all the clamps off, cut to the length, and then I'll put it back through the table saw to rip it to the right width, and I'll give it a slight round over just to make it nice to touch and get rid of all the rough edges. So here I'm screwing the fence through the base of the sled. I'll just put one screw in for now, and then that means then I can pivot the fence and line it up and square it up to the blade of the bandsaw. Yeah, fail. Beep. Oh, what a fail. So yeah, we put the fence on the wrong side. It should be, there's only one screw. But, yeah, the runner is on the wrong side. T-slot is, got to swap it over. Just swap it over, let's see. Just, yeah. So once I sorted out that mistake, I can then cut a slot in the sled, and then that's why then I only put the one screw in, because I can pivot the fence of the sled and line it up and square it to the actual bandsaw blade using the square and the slot that I've just cut. I'll then add a clamp on the side of the fence that hasn't been screwed. I'll take it over to the workbench and then fix it permanently. So that's the bandsaw sled all finished. It gives me the option to safely cut small pieces, dowels, things like that on the bandsaw. And I'm also making some bow tie jigs that I can use on the bandsaw sled, so I might do a video of those at a later date. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, take care, see you again.